Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Capricorn. For your daily energies, Capricorn, we are picking few cards, guys, for your career situation and relationship. I'll be picking cards from other decks as we proceed into the reading, Capricorn. So let's start with your daily reading first, guys. It's Nine of Cups, Devil in reverse, and Seven of Swords in reverse. So with these cards in your situation today, Capricorn, certain things you are really happy. You have that contentment, joy, happiness, emotional satisfaction today. Things are going really well. This may be something to do with your career situation or personal life situation. So you are happy about the outcome, about how things are proceeding today. And maybe there are people coming towards you, they are giving you good suggestions. It may be something to do with your career or personal life. Maybe some kind of suggestions regarding certain addictions that you have, guys. This may be your addictions, or it may be the addiction of your person. Something working against you. If you have some health oriented habits, maybe like dieting or some repetitive behavior, that is good. You can go for it. But if it is something bad, if it is something really stressing you, maybe some bad habits, drinking, smoking, so you need to keep a check on that. And there are people in your circle, maybe your friends or your family, they are suggesting you, trying to give you good advice today regarding these addictions. And maybe for some of you, these addictions may be a reason for some kind of gossips. People may be gossiping about you, and that may again lead to some kind of stress today, Capricorn. So you need to be really aware of your situation, and if you have any habits that you want to overcome, you have to do it, guys. That is what I see with these cards. But you are having some kind of an emotional satisfaction. That may be something to do with your career situation or personal life. Maybe you have this person you love with you, supporting you and guiding you today. That may be the reason for happiness. So let's see what are the cards for your career situation first. So I'll be picking 3 cards again from this deck. It's Ace of Spheres, Fortitude, I picked 2 cards, guys. Okay. The Hierophant in reverse. So with these cards, I see that some kind of opportunities are coming your way in your career. Some new beginnings or something that takes you forward towards that greater prosperity and good fortune. All that offers or opportunities are coming your way. Opportunities for greater success and happiness. So you can be happy today for how things are going in your life. Maybe in your career you are happy, and maybe for some of you, you may be having some sickness today, guys. Something minor illness that may be worrying you, that may become like an obstacle. you may not have that energy to deal with your situation today. So that inability to deal or work well because of the sickness, something minor. And you, again we see here that your addictions also may be this weakness that it's difficult for you to handle today, guys. Capricorn. So again that energy is also there with these cards. So that weakness may obstruct you the way you go about in your career. So you have to be willing to take care of yourself. So that is what I see with these cards for your career situation, guys. Let us see what are the cards for your relationship. So it's 9 of Earth, Strength, Empress. So with these cards for your relationship, I see that this person is the person who is your strength and guidance in life, and you have that endurance in your heart, that will and determination, endurance to see things through. So whatever troubles that you are facing in this relationship, or some obstacles that you are facing in this relationship, you have that potential or courage to overcome that. And I also see that in this relationship you are experiencing that possibility, that for love, that deep connection with this person, commitment with this person, and you want to commit to this person. Maybe for some of you, you want to start a family with them, have a child, and you love them a lot. You may share that deep understanding, love, and that intimacy is there in this connection, guys. And I also see that whatever you need to make this relationship work, to whatever you need to make it strong, make this connection strong, you are adapting that, or you are going for that choices, or changing yourself, going for that discipline, so you can have that beautiful positive connection with this person with that strong foundation. So this person is the person of your life, you feel, or they may feel this way about you, guys. So that is what I see with these cards, guys, for your love reading, Capricorn. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.